Everyone, let's start it with our subject science for class 6th. Our chapter number 3 is fiber to fabric, and this is our 5th part. In this video, we are discussing about some of the practices does to make yarn into fabric. So, we wear sweaters in cold weather. Have you wondered how these sweaters are made? Our dadis or nannies or parents are usually making this sweater out of the ball of wool. So such a ball of wool is a fiber, and when they make sweater out of it, then the sweater is what? Fabric. So in this way, sweaters are made by converting yarn to fabric through the process, and this process is known as knitting. And knitting is done with the help of needles, and these needles are created especially for this purpose. In the diagram, you are seeing the knitting needles with the help of which we knit and make sweater out of the wool. So, the balls of wool is actually yarn, and when we complete knitting it, the fabric form. So in this way, we are knitting yarn to make fabric out of it. So now we are discussed about two types through which yarn is converted into fabric. In this video, we are talking about one part, and in our previous video, we are talking about one of its way. So, what are the two ways to convert yarn into fabric? So, there are two ways. First one is weaving, and second one is knitting. Weaving, we read about it in our previous video, and knitting in this video. So, now it's the main thing that we are knitting sweaters at home for one or two sweaters, and it takes lots of time. And if we want to knit many more sweaters, then how much time is utilized? So for doing all the works very fast, very facilitated, and in minimum times, then large scale industries or factories are established to change such yarn into fabric, to make sweaters out of it, to make clothes out of it, to make different styles of clothes out of it. So on large scales, they cannot be made by hand as it takes lots of time. So for these, very large machines are operated this work very fast, very efficiently, and within a small time. So for factories or large scale factories, large machines do this job. Thank you. Bye bye.